think it zooms in when you like press record.
You just like keep these videos and like watch them all the time, or what?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's kind of like a hobby.
Oh, cool.
Ow. Stepped on something. Be quiet, bird. Oh, ow. I wish I had like a GoPro or something.
That'd be cool. Those are expensive.
Yeah. It would make it easier though.
Yeah. We could find a way to attach your phone to your head. That could work too.
Yeah, see where I was talking about before? I had one of these things.
Yeah.
But it had like pelicans and stuff on it. What's this?
It's like a little viewing platform.
Ugh. Nice. I think I just walked through a cobweb. You can hear those balloons. Ow. So going this way?
Yes.
Oh, there's a hole there.
Oh, that sounds safe.
Oh, what are you throwing grass at me for? Ugh. That's a log.
Oh.
At least I think that's a log.
Oh, look.
Yeah. I've never been on this trail before, so I have no idea where we're going.
Kind of going.
Ew, gross, squishy.
Oh, look! The river!
Nice.
Wow.
I don't know what I'm recording for this video because I'm focusing on where I'm stepping. Oh, God. If I fall in, you're fishing me out.
It's literally 2 inches of water.
Oh, that feels nice.
Ooh. Feels fresh.
It is
Can I
fresh.
drink it?
Don't drink.
No.
Don't drink it.
Nope.
Who knows what, like, peed in there, or bathed in there, or anything in there. Oh, jeez. Oh, ow. It's a thin path. I already fell off. Oh, ow. You know, I think I should have, changed my shoes.
I don't have any other shoes. I'm just
Yeah, well, I have a pair of, like, sneakers in the Jeep. I probably should have changed.
Yeah.
Oh, ew. I just stepped in mud.
Ew. This river is not flowing. It's just kind of sitting.
It's stuck. Oh my. Yeah, I think it, like, overflowed or something.
There's another pole. We're going in the right direction.
Good. If you see those markers, then you know you're on a path. So squishy and gross. But yet refreshing on my feet. Considering,
We're not lost.
yeah, considering I keep getting poked with grass. Ow. Ooh. Oh.
Me and my dad just left off here and turned back around. So I don't know where we're going now.
Oh, so squishy. Well, there's a pole there, so I assume we just, like, follow it or something.
I guess so.
Oh, I wish it wouldn't have rained. Then this wouldn't be so wet.
Yeah. What now? We're like all dirty and full of grass. I'm gonna take my shoes off. They're getting annoying.
I'm just gonna get.
I'm just splashing in the puddles.
Ah, you got that on me. They kicked up water and got it on my leg. Oh, ow. Oh.
Bird.
What did you say?
Foxtails.
That's what these things are called?
I don't know. That's what are they actually called?
I don't know.
You just
That's
call them foxtails because they look like a little.
That's why I was asking you if you know what they were called.
I'm pretty sure they're called foxtail. That's what we call them.
Oh.
Oh, this grass is like needles.
Okay, hold on. I gotta like scratch my foot. It's all itchy from the grass.
Oh, this grass is like needles. Not even exaggerating it.
Yeah. Sorry, just capturing the scenery. It's really pretty. Going down this way, there's another pillar over there.
Oh, no.
Ooh.
Pelicans are so pretty. Oh, he just kind of flew a few feet and then he's done. Oh, the picnic bench.
Picnic bench?
Yes, the picnic table or whatever.
Oh. Ow. Ugh.
It's not a picnic. Even though I'm not hungry, but we should have anyway. Grass is sharp again.
You know, maybe you should put your shoes back on.
No, never.
Oh, you can see the sun.
Well, this is very bright.
Yeah. Why do you think I was looking through my camera lens? Oh, ow. Mosquitoes keep biting me, and I think I just walked through a
There's types
cobweb.
of birds. Common tern.
Can you sit for a
White
second?
pelican.
Oh, ow.
Double-crested cormorant.
Can you sit for just a second?
Pink
Oh,
plover.
oh God.
It's killdeers.
Killdeers.
Killdeer. But it's a bird.
Oh, I thought you were like killdeers. And I'm like, what? Why do we want to kill deers? Well, actually, a lot of people want to kill deers, but you know what I mean. Don't look directly into the sun.
Okay.
If you look through my camera, you can look at it.
Oh, fancy. The clouds look nice.
The clouds look very pretty. Ow, my eyes.